So we got some renders here. Shout out to uh Mirror Pro on YouTube for posting this video. But these are some, mock-up renders, you could say, of the Z Fold 8. So shout out to him. I will leave a link down below in the description to his channel. Shout out to Zach for this post. But this is what it looks like. So these, again, are just rumors and mock-ups. These aren't actually the real device. But the real thing that's so important about this is the bezel-less inside and outside display. So no more bezels. This is a screen body ratio of 100%. Which, to be honest, looks absolutely amazing. It really does. I actually love how this looks in the end. It almost, to a point, looks unreal, which it obviously is unreal because it's not actually a real device yet. This is just a concept. But still, though, look at that bad boy. I mean, the zero bezels are insanity. And also, we got 2 speakers down here. We got a SIM card ejector. And we have a microphone port, which that's something I hope they continue to do moving forward, is always give us a SIM card port for these cell phones. I know iPhones are going away from it. I never want to see that. Again, like I said, listen, at the end of the day, I understand, eSIM is the future. I still like having a physical SIM card, so it's just my cup of tea. But, for example, this is I think it's Z Fold 7. So, again, the bezels are not crazy on the Z Fold 7, right? They're not ridiculously crazy, but it's just nice to have no bezels, right? It's nice to have a concept of no bezels. And, looking at the inside, again, the Z Fold 7, there's still some bezels. It's not much, though. But this is beautiful. So, will we get a bezel-less Z Fold 8? I don't think so. I don't think they're going to give us a bezel-less Z Fold 8. I would love for them to, and I think it could be it would sell very, very well, but I don't really believe they're going to get to that point. They might make the bezels a little bit better, though. Keep in mind, the Z Fold 8 has to be a home run, though. So, Z Fold 7 already looks really good and is really amazing. The Z Fold 8 has to be a home run hit. They're going against the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold. They're going against the OnePlus Open 2. You also got maybe Motorola comes out with a cell phone next year that's a foldable cell phone. Apple's going to come out with their foldable iPhone next year. There is a lot of players in the market next year that Samsung's going to have to compete with. So this is a phone that needs to be successful, and they need to compete with a lot of different, companies out there. So hopefully we see ourselves a beautiful Z Fold 8. We should. Couldn't see a reason why it wouldn't be one of the best Z Fold devices released in some good time. Again, saying that with the fact that the Z Fold 7 is still a really amazing device. But I guess bezel-less would be the next, next situation we would talk about? Yeah, I guess bezel-less, right? Because at this point, there's so many things that we have improved on when it comes to foldable devices, right? You got foldable devices with pretty much as thin as humanly possible, great battery life, great cameras, great outside display, great inside display. I mean, at some point, the next step on that journey would, to me, make it bezel-less. Take away the bezels completely and make this phone just screen to body ratio 100%. But we'll have to wait and see, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.